So here we have my rainwater collection system for watering plants. So I leveled the ground and then I piled some bricks, and then on top of those bricks I put this 1 cubic meter box with bowl at the bottom, which you can open for water. And then on the top, for the filling, there is a pipe connection with threads on both of them, and they are connected with pipe. And then this pipe is connected to the water from the roof. And then there is an overflow to the drainage system, and the vegetable place is going to be at the end of the property. These are raised a bit, so it's easier to fit a bucket under here. They are both already full from 2 days of raining.